11 foods to eat when you are pregnant.
Maintaining a healthy diet during pregnancy is very important. During this time, your body needs additional nutrients, vitamins and minerals. In fact, you may need 350 to 500 extra calories each day during the second and third trimesters. A diet lacking in key nutrients may negatively affect the baby's development. Poor eating habits and excess weight gain may also increase your risk of gestational diabetes and pregnancy or birth complications. Put simply, choosing healthy, nutritious foods will help ensure the health of you and your baby. It will also make it a lot easier to lose the pregnancy weight after you've given birth. Here are 13 highly nutritious dairy foods products to eat during when pregnancy. You're pregnant. You need to consume extra protein and calcium to meet the needs of the growing fetus. Dairy products contain two types of high-quality protein, casein and whey. Dairy is the best dietary source of calcium, and provides high amounts of phosphorus, various B vitamins, magnesium and zinc. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, is particularly beneficial for pregnant women. 9. It contains more calcium than most other dairy products. Some varieties also contain probiotic bacteria, which support digestive health. People who are lactose intolerant may also be able to tolerate yogurt, especially probiotic yogurt. Taking probiotic supplements during pregnancy may reduce your risk of complications such as preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, vaginal infections and allergies. Summary dairy products, especially yogurt, are a great choice for pregnant women. They help you meet increased protein and calcium needs. Probiotics may also help reduce the risk of complications. 2. Legumes. This group of food includes lentils, peas, beans, chickpeas, soybeans and peanuts. Legumes are excellent plant-based sources of fiber, protein, iron, folate, B9, and calcium, all of which your body needs more of during pregnancy. Folate is one of the B vitamins, B9. It's very important for the health of the mother and fetus, especially during the first trimester. However, most pregnant women are not consuming nearly enough folate. This has been linked with an increased risk of neural tube defects and low birth weight. Insufficient folate intake may also cause your child to become more prone to infections and disease later in life. Legumes contain high amounts of folate. 1 cup of lentils, chickpeas or black beans may provide from 65 to 90% of the RDA. Furthermore, legumes are generally very high in fiber. Some varieties are also high in iron, magnesium and potassium. Summary legumes are great sources of folate, fiber and many other nutrients. Folate is a very important nutrient during pregnancy and may reduce the risk of some birth defects and diseases. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very rich in beta-carotene, a plant compound that is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is essential for growth and the differentiation of most cells and tissues. It's very important for healthy fetal development. Pregnant women are generally advised to increase their vitamin A intake by 10 to 40%. However, they are also advised to avoid very high amounts of animal-based sources of vitamin A, which may cause toxicity when eaten in excess. Therefore, beta-carotene is a very important source of vitamin A for pregnant women. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene. About 3.5 to 5.3 ounces 100 to 150 grams of cooked sweet potato fulfills the entire reference daily intake RDI. Furthermore, sweet potatoes contain fiber, which may increase fullness, reduce blood sugar spikes and improve digestive health and mobility. Summary sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for the growth and differentiation of cells in your growing fetus. Salmon. Salmon is very rich in essential omega-3 fatty acids. Most people, including pregnant women, are not getting nearly enough omega-3 through their diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential during pregnancy, especially the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA. These are found in high amounts in seafood, and help build the brain and eyes of your fetus. Yet, pregnant women are generally advised to limit their seafood intake to twice a week, due to the mercury and other contaminants found in fatty fish. 31. This has caused some women to avoid seafood altogether, thus limiting their intake of essential omega-3 fatty acids. However, studies have shown that pregnant women who eat 2 to 3 meals of fatty fish per week achieve the recommended intake of omega-3 and increase their blood levels of EPA and DHA 32-33. What's more, salmon is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D, which is often lacking in the diet. It's very important for many processes in your body, including bone health and immune function 34-35. Summary. Salmon contains the essential omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which are important for brain and eye development in your growing baby. It's also a natural source of vitamin D. 5. Eggs. Eggs are the ultimate health food, as they contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. A large egg contains 77 calories, as well as high-quality protein and fat. It also packs many vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a great source of choline. Choline is essential for many processes in your body, including brain development and health. A dietary survey in the U.S. showed that over 90% of people consumed less than the recommended amount of choline. Low choline intake during pregnancy may increase the risk of neural tube defects and possibly lead to decreased brain function in the fetus. A single whole egg contains roughly 113 milligrams of choline, which is about 25% of the RDI for pregnant women, 450 milligrams. Summary. Whole eggs are incredibly nutritious and a great way to increase your overall nutrient intake. They also contain choline, an essential nutrient for brain health and development. 6. Broccoli and dark, leafy greens. Broccoli and dark, green vegetables, such as kale and spinach, contain many of the nutrients pregnant women need. These include fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, iron, folate and potassium. Furthermore, broccoli and leafy greens are rich in antioxidants. They also contain plant compounds that benefit the immune system and digestion. Due to their high fiber content, these vegetables may also help prevent constipation, which is a very common problem among pregnant women. Consuming green, leafy vegetables has also been linked to a reduced risk of low birth weight. Summary. Broccoli and leafy greens contain most of the nutrients that pregnant women need. They're also rich in fiber, which may help prevent or treat
7.
constipation. Lean meat. Beef, pork and chicken are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Furthermore, beef and pork are also rich in iron, choline and other B vitamins, all of which are needed in higher amounts during pregnancy. Iron is an essential mineral that is used by red blood cells as a part of hemoglobin. It's important for delivering oxygen to all cells in your body. Pregnant women need more iron since their blood volume is increasing. This is particularly important during the 3rd trimester. Low levels of iron during early and mid-pregnancy may cause iron deficiency anemia, which doubles the risk of premature delivery and low birth weight. It may be hard to cover iron needs with diet alone, especially since many pregnant women develop an aversion to meat. However, for those who can't, eating red meat regularly may help increase the amount of iron acquired from the diet. Eating foods that are rich in vitamin C, such as oranges or bell peppers, may also help increase absorption of iron from meals. Summary. Lean meat is a good source of high-quality protein. Beef and pork are also rich in iron, choline and B vitamins, all of which are important nutrients during pregnancy. 8. Fish liver oil. Fish liver oil is made from the oily liver of fish, most often cod. The oil is very rich in the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which are essential for fetal brain and eye development. Fish liver oil is also very high in vitamin D, of which many people don't get enough. It may be highly beneficial for those who don't regularly eat seafood or supplement with omega-3 or vitamin D. Low vitamin D intake has been linked with an increased risk of preeclampsia. This potentially dangerous complication is characterized by high blood pressure, swelling of the hands and feet and protein in the urine. Consuming cod liver oil during early pregnancy has been linked to higher birth weight and a lower risk of disease later in the baby's life. A single serving, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters, of fish liver oil provides more than the recommended daily intake of omega-3, vitamin D and vitamin A. However, it's not recommended to consume more than 1 serving per day, as too much preformed vitamin A can be dangerous for your fetus. High levels of omega-3 may also have blood-thinning effects. Summary. A single serving 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of fish liver oil provides more than the required amount of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D and vitamin A. Fish liver oil may be particularly important for women who don't eat seafood. 9. Berries. Berries are packed with water, healthy carbs, vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants. They generally contain high amounts of vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron. Vitamin C is also important for skin health and immune function. Berries have a relatively low glycemic index value, so they should not cause major spikes in blood sugar. Berries are also a great snack, as they contain both water and fiber. They provide a lot of flavor and nutrition, but with relatively few calories. Summary. Berries contain water, carbs, vitamin C, fiber, vitamins, antioxidants and plant compounds. They may help pregnant women increase their nutrient and water intake. Whole grains. Eating whole grains may help pregnant women meet their increased calorie requirements, especially during the second and third trimesters. As opposed to refined grains, whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamins and plant compounds. Oats and quinoa also contain a fair amount of protein, which is important during pregnancy. Additionally, whole grains are generally rich in B vitamins, fiber and magnesium. All of these are frequently lacking in the diets of pregnant women. Summary. Whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamins and plant compounds. They're also rich in B vitamins, fiber and magnesium, all of which pregnant women need. 11. Avocados. Avocados are an unusual fruit because they contain a lot of monounsaturated fatty acids. They're also high in fiber, B vitamins especially folate, vitamin K, potassium, copper, vitamin E and vitamin C. Because of their high content of healthy fats, folate and potassium, avocados are a great choice for pregnant women. The healthy fats help build the skin, brain and tissues of your fetus, and folate may help prevent neural tube defects. 56. Potassium may help relieve leg cramps, a side effect of pregnancy for some women. In fact, avocados contain more potassium than bananas. 57. Summary. Avocados contain high amounts of monounsaturated fatty acids, fiber, folate and potassium. They may help improve fetal health and relieve leg cramps that are common in pregnant women.